another Henry. This one from 1993. I got this with the cream brown Henry as well. Or I actually got a lot of them, which probably the rest I'm actually gonna film as that with the job lot. But this was one of the good ones. Well, one of the fairly good working ones. Hold on. My cheap polish marks on there. Don't care if I get it off my hands. Yeah, there. So yeah, he's had a bit of a clean up. He obviously was in the rain as well. All of them were in the rain. Otherwise, this would have actually had no rust on it. Otherwise, this is in fairly quick condition. This isn't its original filler. I just put it in there because it just looks cool. Haven't washed it either. I mean, the bases had a wash and the motor units all had a wash and motor's been serviced. I've only given the filter of that because it's not too dusty. And here's clean up okay, although I haven't really cleaned it right. But yeah, it's got rust there in that only spot, but when I opened it up, there's no rust on the motor at all. So that, if it didn't get rained on, there would have been no rust on this at all. Now, how does he run? Well, he runs fine, but he's just, you can see the wheels is fairly well used, and you can tell by the sound. So yeah, he's really high pitched, so yeah, he's been well used. Well, the fact that he's come from a cleaning company, I don't really blame him to sound high pitch. I haven't really cleaned that up properly, only because I'm going to sell this one. It's a bit too rough to keep, I suppose. I mean, it's quite nice. I do like high pitched motors, but this one's not a keeper. I mean, you can't tell because I've polished it and all, but it's just really scratched up. I haven't cleaned that off either. Oh, I can't be asked. But yeah, it's fine for what it is, I suppose. Actually, now that I'm out here, I've got another vac with me. Let's show you that one. Now, this hetty 160 is my nan's, which I just used. I'm just going to clean this one up. Now, this was originally my auntie's, but she had some issues getting it working. Light was coming on, but so it wasn't turning on. But when I bought it here, well, I wouldn't say she bought it here. It was mainly for my aunties anyway. Plugged it in, see if it worked, and it did work. So yeah, she's got a Henry extra anyway. But my nan uses this, and she had an old pneumatic, but sent that off to a different country. It runs fine. I'll run it for you. Bands are a little bit off, but who cares? Side filter's pretty grey. A little bit dusty here, and that's because I've just cleaned the filter out now. It sounded quite high pitched, but look, even the paper bag. These paper bags sicken me. It's just all dusty everywhere in there. And this is a new bag as well. Yeah, it's just, yeah, it was covered in dust. Like, if I shake it, there's still some coming off it, but before it was just, you know. And now that I cleaned it out, it actually ran better. So the bottle was just blocked, really. The hose, obviously you can tell it's a replacement. This isn't its original hose. The conical hose might not jump because it had a crack in the cuff, obviously, but that would have been an easy fix. But my brain back then was a bit too dumb. So she ordered a new hose, and then I put that hose in my hvr200 and gave them this instead. That's all the dust coming off of the filter. Actually, no, it's just off the hose, not in there. Because I actually put the bag in that one quickly and use quickly gave it a quick whiz. Oh wait, I also got to show you another thing. That something's happened to this as well. Now, I don't know how this has happened, but it's like burnt the plastic. It's just all burnt in there. So I don't know what's happened to that. It did come with everything except this head. So I ordered a new head for it. My auntie lost the head. And it didn't come with its upholstery nozzle. What's it? Yeah. Hold on. Let's put this back on. I don't really like these in my opinion. I don't like it at all, and my cousin's ripped that off. I haven't serviced this, I might service this at some point, but you know, I don't care, it's not my machine. My nan enjoys it anyway. And it's much smaller than her old pneumatic that she had from 2009 or 2010. I don't know. Yeah. But anyway, thanks for watching.